This is how to screen record on your iPhone without sound. Pull down from the top right to open the control center. And for me, I have a record button right there, ready to go. You probably don't have that yet. To add this to the control center or anything else for that matter, tap on this plus up here. That'll give us the minus sign for these different control center apps so we can remove them, and they're pulsating so we know they can be edited. At the very bottom, there's add a control. Tap on that. There's lots of controls you can add. Third-party apps even add more controls, like click up right here. Lots of stuff you can do. Specifically for this video, we want to record without sound. This is the app right here, screen recording. So just tap on that, and that will add the app. You can move it around. You can place it wherever you want. I'm just going to put it right back over there. And then tap anywhere outside of those apps to get out of that editing mode. Now we have our screen recorder. If you just tap on it, it's going to give a countdown and then start recording. We don't want to do that yet. We want to tap and hold, and that'll open an options menu. Here we see that the microphone is on, and it's highlighted in red. Tap on that. That turns the microphone off, which means your recording will not have any sound. You can also choose various places to save the recording. I prefer to just put it in the Photos app, and then I can share it from there. You can tap Start Recording here if you want, or it's going to remember the setting that your microphone is off, and you can just tap Record right here. It's going to give a little countdown. Now it's recording. You can do various things on your phone. It's going to record that. And up here, we can see by that red outline and background on the clock that we are recording. So if you ever forget that you were recording, if you forget to turn it off, if you butt dial the clock up here, we can then cancel, and that'll continue the recording. If you want to stop the recording, tap on stop. The notification says here the video is ready. Tap on that. It'll take us to our Photos app, and there's our recording. Let's just confirm there's no sound. And as you recall, I was talking this entire time, and the video is playing, and there's no sound in the video. Let's turn the sound back down in case something happens. So now that this video is here, you can then go ahead and share it, favorite it, you can edit it, you can also trash it. So all the things you can do with a regular video that you take with your phone, you can now do with the screen captured video. I hope this video helps you. If it does, like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video right here on your screen right now, which will show you how to empty the trash bin on your phone. I know it sounds weird, and you've probably never done it, and you really need to do it. So check out this video, and I'll see you there.